Has this ever happened to you? You go outside, you're all ready to cut your grass, and you get on your mower and in most cases the battery is located underneath the seat, and as you see, you got a negative and a positive area. A lot of batteries have a holder hold down, but in my case, my hold down rotted out a long time ago, but it has no real use here because I'm not going too many different places. So anyway, what you got to do is take off your negative battery connection. Nice and easy. Take off the battery negative connection. Don't worry, you won't get shocked. And what I like to do is I'll leave. See, simply comes off just like that. What I like to do is to leave one nut and bolt on there, because you'll see it in just a moment. Okay, now I lifted the little cover, the little plastic cover on the positive side. Okay. And I'm going to take off this one. Easy. In my case, I'm using a 7/16 wrench. I've got another one on the other side to help hold it. Once it's loose, everything's okay. Okay, move that out of the way. When you don't want to touch metal to metal. That's the only thing. But I left the bolts, the nut and bolt in there. Why? Because it's kind of hard to lift the battery out of the area. So I like to use the nut and bolt to hold on to, and out she comes. Bingo bango. Right? Don't forget to remove the nuts and bolts, because you're going to need them to reinstall your new battery. Right? Alrighty. Keep them together. This is just a regular nut and bolt, nothing special about them. You can buy them in the hardware if you need it. I needed it because my one broke. A little stiff. Yep. Save the nut and bolt. Now you're ready to go to the store and pick up the other battery. I like to take the battery with me before I pick up a new battery, because you get what you call a core charge, and I don't like to go back and make my little refund getting the core charge. So anyway, in a flash we will be back with the new battery. There we go. Okay, I'm back with the new battery, and it goes right in just the way you took it out. In my case, positive's up that side, and you just go like that. Get the little nut and screw back. Okay. Right there. There. Make sure you get it secure. Okay. And remember, don't touch any metal while you're doing the positive connections. This way. Okay. I like to keep it down low. Make sure you put the plastic cap back on so that it doesn't bounce, especially if you don't have a holder on it. Right, so it doesn't hit that. Make sure you get that back on there. and redo the negative post, just like so. Ready? Ah. Okay. Just nice and tight. There you go. Make sure everything's good. Put your holder back on if you have one, and we should be about ready to go.